Flapping wings of this hummingbird is due to a set of pulleys and a bent axle. Let us look at the build. Black cotton thread is wound around a card sheet pulley. It is pivoted in the center with the help of a needle. Pulling the thread to the right results in clockwise rotation of the wheel. Same is true if I pull the thread to the left as well. Let us take another pulley of the same size, wound with a white cotton thread. Black thread is wound in a clockwise direction, while the white one in anti-clockwise direction. A small pin is used to fix both pulleys together. Pulling the black thread to the left results in winding of the white thread. Same is true for the white thread as well. Pulling the white thread to the right winds the black thread to the wheel. Let us place this assembly in a plastic container with holes on the sides. Nuts are used as spacers. Similar push-pull action between the threads can be seen inside the container as well. Now let us hang this assembly with the help of a white thread. I can move the container with my hand and both pulleys move with it as expected. What will happen if I pull the black thread instead? Container does not move. Can you find out why? Let us replace the large pulley with white thread with a smaller one. I can hang the assembly again. This time, I can pull the black thread and container moves up. Releasing the black thread takes the container down till it reaches the end of the thread. Both wheels inside the container as well as the needle are moving as expected. We can use the movement of the axle, needle in our case, to do some creative work. Instead of two independent pulleys, we will build one mechanism with paper strips, toothpick or wire as an axle and card sheet. Number of paper strips used will dictate the thickness or diameter of the pulley. Slightly bending the wire with the help of a plier on both sides results in eccentric movement at the end as wheels rotate. Visuals for the bird can be placed around this mechanism and our toy is ready. We can hang this bird and enjoy the flapping of the wings. Mechanism can be made with different materials such as washers, acrylic rounds, toothpicks, and fine nylon threads instead of a cotton one. Now that you know how the hanging automata mechanism works, do try different visuals as per your needs. Have a nice day. Thank you.